Alright friends, today we have come back with another unboxing video of Realme 30A 5G. Realme has previously launched Realme 30A and Realme 30 Pro with a price point around 10,000 and 22,000. Though if you order the smartphones right now, you can get the deal with 9,000 and 20,000 onwards. But after launching of these two particular smartphones, Realme might have forgot to launch Realme 30 5G and 4G variants. While it has launched, it was pricing around 16 to 18,000 with the 4G variants and 17 to 18,000 with the 5G variants. And if you now order it, you can see a price difference of around 1,000 to 2,000 in each of the variants. Today we're gonna see the unboxing of Realme Narzo 30 5G smartphone, which I have already ordered from Flipkart. So in today's video, I'm gonna talking about the unboxing and some quick samples of the camera as well as some video samples with some pros and cons. And at the end, if you buy it in 2022, is it worth it not? That is the big question. So if you're planning to buy this particular smartphone, so this video will be helpful for you. At the same time, buying Realme Narzo 30 5G at around price point 17,000 to 18,000 in 2022, will it be worthwhile for you? So hey there, this is Akash from Video YouTuber. Welcome back to my channel. If you like my video, do like it and share it, and also add your valuable comment in the comment section, improving my contents and as well as new suggestions for my channel. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and pressing the bell icon so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. So let's jump into the tutorial.
So here it is, a quick unboxing of Realme Narzo 5G smartphone. I have ordered it from Flipkart, and as you guys can see the invoice, it was priced around 13,000 on a Flipkart Big Billion Day sale. Here on the back side, as you guys can see, the specification has been written. It is of 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM I have ordered. It comes with Dimensity 700 MediaTek. When you first time open the box, you will be getting a SIM ejected tool along with a plastic cover and some manuals. The plastic cover is decent, not that much of good, not that much bad. So let it keep aside, and let me see inside the box what we'll be getting. So here is USB type A to C cable, and the charger will be getting, it is of 18 watt. Now on the rear side you will be getting 4 camera slots, but one of them is fake. You will be getting a 48 megapixel of main camera, 2 megapixel of depth and 2 megapixel of ultra wide camera. I don't know why Realme do this. Okay, in the side you will be getting an inbuilt fingerprint with the unlock button. Let's open the phone. The front camera will be getting, it is of 16 megapixel. The battery is of 5000 mAh, and the display is 6.5 inch full HD display. It's quite good at this price point, but if you compare with Realme 8 5G, it's somehow a better deal, I think. But let's open this and boot up in front of you. It is a 5G phone. The 4G variant that is coming with, it is have a pricing point difference around 1,000 rupees. So I don't think that will be a better option, because in this phone you will have better connectivity with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and everything. So let's see. Clicking on next. The screen is looking good just because of it is 90 Hz refresh rate, and the RAM you'll be getting, it is a dynamic RAM expansion DRE. That means you can change your ROM, some of your ROM to the RAM for gaming and everything. So while Realme claims that with the only 5% of charge you can do 2.1 hours of calling, 1.2 hours of chatting and 5.2 hours of listening to music. Operating system will be getting, it is Android 11. So in the next time, the two major updates will be getting from Realme, and the brightness is 600 unit, it is max, so you will don't having any problem in indoor as well as outdoor condition. The memory card slot, you will be getting 1 TB of expandable storage. Have an eye on the camera. because the camera of this smartphone is the main focus. Just because if you go to Flipkart, see a good rating it is having in the Flipkart. Let's click a picture and you can see the details. It is good in the first look, and if I go to the portrait mode and click the picture, let's me zoom and show you that it's okay. It's not that much of good, it's not that much of bad.
Short one, take one.
Test the
Action!
sound. Speaker sounds pretty much louder. 80Hz touch sampling rate and 90Hz screen aspect refresh, so it is a pretty much good phone in case of display and camera. As we have seen, front camera is a punch hole, so watching movies and videos is an amazing experience. And in the conclusion, if you go to the Flipkart, you can see a rating of 4.0 in the camera, 4.1 in battery, 4.1 in display, and 4.0 in value for money. But in case of real life of usage, with the price point that Realme has launched this Realme Narzo 35G, it is comes with 6 GB RAM and 128 GB ROM. Now it is pricing 17,000. We're satisfied with the pricing comparison with Realme 8 5G because it is a better deal with same spec.
Thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, you know what you have to do. Do like it, share it with your friends and comment down below your valuable comment. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe it, pressing the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I'm going to upload a new video. Just thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Goodbye.